Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I've already shown you how to design this dashboard, administrator dashboard, and if you have not watched my previous video, then just go to the description there. I put the link for my previous video, or you can do one thing, just click on the suggestion on the right side of the screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design this dashboard. When I click on this, something needs to be appear over here, and I've already shown you what to appear over here in the overview video. So let's start with this. So first I'm going to close this. And here the project on which you are working is nothing but pharmacy management video. So first thing what you have to do is you have to add one folder over here. So just go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project name and click on add and select new folder and name this folder administrator UC, administrator UC, user control, and hit enter. After this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new user control inside this one. So right click on this, select add and select user control Windows form, this one. Click on this, and after this what will happen is a new form will pop up on your screen asking for the name of that user control. So it's taking a little bit of time. So here our pop-up is on the screen. So first thing what I'm going to name this one is UC, and this one is for administrator. So UC underscore dashboard. Yeah, this one. And I'm going to click on add, and this will add a new user control. Okay, here you can see this. First thing what we are going to do is move back to the design part of this one and click on this one, this part. And I'm going to actually maximize this one. And I'm going to copy the size of this panel. So I'm going to copy the size. So the panel size is 1104,770. So copy this and move back over here, right click on this, go to properties, and there you have to just paste it. Hit enter. And here you can see this one is that of the same size as per the panel 2. After this, what we have to do is we have to just change the back color for this one. So right click and go to properties, select over here, change this one to white, click on custom and select white. When you select white, this one is now white. Save this. After this, let me move back to the complete project, and here you can see this we have few stuff, that is 3 panels over here with different colors and few text boxes, and here we have one fancy button as I have shown you in the overview video. So I'm going to add all of these stuff one by one. Move back over here. First thing, I'm going to add one label. Just drag and drop it over here. I'm going to name this one dashboard. So let me change the text first. So name this one dashboard. Like this. And after this, what I have to do is I have to actually set the font for this one. So move back over here, click on this, and let me select the font. So click on this, and it's taking a little time. So it's bold and size is 22. Select this, click on this. The font is Century Gothic, bold, and size is 22. Hit OK, and here we have this. After this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually connect this user control with the administrator design dashboard. So how to do that? For that, what you have to do is you have to just go to toolbox and search for Guna 2 ellipse. If you can't find this one, it means that you haven't added the Guna 2 DLL file into your toolbox. Just go to description, there you can download the Guna 2 DLL file, and I have also uploaded a video how to add that Guna DLL file into the toolbox. Just watch that video. That video link is already in the description. Okay, so you have to just drag and drop it over here and just click on this, and what you have to do is just select the target control over here. If you can't able to see this part, then what you have to do is just right click on this, go to properties, and then you will able to see this. Click on this and select this one, UC dashboard, and just press CTRL yes. After that, what you have to do is just copy this one, select this Guna 2 ellipse 1, copy this, move back to the dashboard design part and paste it over here. Here you have to do one thing, just click on this, select the target control, click on this, and you have to just select panel 2. This one is panel 2. If this panel is panel 1 in your computer, then you have to just select panel 1. Here you can see this one is panel 2. Just click on this, panel 2. After this, what we have to do is just save this, move back to toolbox and move to the top up, and here you can find the UC dashboard. What you have to do is just drag and drop it over here. So fail to load from toolbox item. Okay, so not an issue. So we can't able to do that because we haven't loaded that. So for that we have to just do one thing, just start this and stop this. That's it. When you do that, now you can find that user control into the toolbar. So I've started this. It's taking a little bit of time. Now it has started. Next thing what we have to do is just stop this, nothing more. Okay, let me start this one first. Okay, so I have stopped this and moved to toolbox and move to the top of this one because can't able to see it right now. I've started this once again. Oh, here now you can see this one is started, and just close this, move back to toolbox and now move to the top, and now you can see this UC dashboard. So you have to just start this, and when the GUI is loaded you have to just close that. That's it. After this, now I'm able to drag and drop it over here. You can see this, now this dashboard is visible over here. Now what you have to do is just select this and drag this on the proper position over this panel 2 like this. And next thing what we have to do is we have to just connect this dashboard, this UC, with this button. So for that you have to just select this button and select search for the design name. Here you can see this in the name, change this one to BTN dashboard. Hit enter. Just double click on this to generate a click event. So just double click on this and this will generate a click event. And here what you have to do is you have to just write one thing, that is UC, the name of that user control. So UC underscore dashboard, right? Search for that. If you can't able to see this, UC underscore dashboard. If you want suggestions from the computer or from the Visual Studio, you have to just press the serial space key and it will show the suggestion. So you should dot visible is equal to true. And next thing what you have to do is UC underscore dashboard 1 dot bring to front. In case if this one is in back, then we have to call this one. And what I want is when this form loads, this user control needs to be hidden. For that what I have to do is you have to generate a form load event. So for that what I have to do is just let me remove this one. Click on the back and on the form in the empty space, just double click on this and this will generate administrator load event. And after this, let me just place this one on the proper position. So for that, just move back to select this panel and go to location and 0, 0 and hit enter. Now go back to the coding part, and here what I have to do is I want to just hide this UC.visible is equal to false. It means that when this form loads, I want to hide that dashboard, and when I click on that button, then only that form needs to be, that user control needs to be visible. So let's check this one. So I have started this. The password is passed, so sign in, and when I click on this, here you can see this now dashboard is visible. It means that this user control is now coming in front when I click on this. Okay, this one is working. Now what I have to do is we have to now code on this dashboard. It means that now this user control is connected with the dashboard, our administrator, form and the dashboard button. So now we have to just add few stuff over here. So first thing what I have to do is I have to add 3 panel over here. So I'm going to just drag one panel and drop it. We need few more, so I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to actually copy the size of this one from the complete project. So move back over here, just select this and just select for size, right click, go to properties, search for size and paste it. After this, let me just move back over here. The size is right. After this, what I have to do is I have to add the color inside this one. So click on this, search for color code 255, 192, 192. You can keep any color whatever you like, and I need this one with the same color, so copy and paste once again like this. I need one more like this. Let me place these. Yeah, now everything is on proper position. And one more thing what I have to do is I have to just change the color of the center. So what I have to do is just select this and select the green one. Here you can see this in this way. Now let's check if these are visible over there is or not. So I've started this and just btechdays, and the password is pass, sign in. Okay, I guess I have written something wrong. Sign in, and when I click on this, here you can see this. Now the panel is visible over here with the different colors, and this one is working, looking fine. Okay, so let me just log out, close this, and let me just select these all, and let me maximize this one a little bit like this. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to add few labels over here. So first I'm going to add one label. Just drag and drop it over here, and let me copy the font size for this one. So the font size for this one is regular and 16. Move back over here, select this, the size is 16, hit enter. After that, this one is nothing but administrator, and the second one is just change this text to administrator. Just copy this and paste this over here and change this one to pharmacist or whatever you feel like. And we have one more, so I'm going to name this one customer. Just click on this, change the text. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to add few more labels. So I'm going to drag one label more, just drag and drop it over here. Just click on this and move back over here, just click on this one. So the size is 12, and let me copy the text. So what you have to do is if you want to write multiple lines in the same label, so you have to just click on this and you have to select this one. When you click on this, you can write the text in any order you want. So I have written inside like this. So I'm going to just copy this, just click on this. First I'm going to increase the size, so size is 12. Click on OK, and after this what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the size for this one. So search for text first. Text, you have to just click on this one and you can write anything in any order. And when you click on this one once again, and this one will be turned like this. After this we have to add few more labels. So just let me just copy this and paste it. And I have to actually copy the text from these labels also. So click on this, select this. I have written in these with the space, with the lines gap, so that's looking like this one. So you can do that. So click on this, select this. You can add any text you want. So the size for this one is, I think, little small, so I'm going to decrease that to 11 and hit OK. Yeah. The size is 11 actually, and this one is looking also nice. After this, what we have to do is we have to add few more labels. One is for this one and one is for this one, the number of counts. So let me just copy the size for this one. So size is 14, and for this one size is 22. Label, just drag and drop it over here. We need 2. For this one size is 14, and for this one size is 22. Let me just change this one, the text for this one, total number of administrator or admin, like this. And after this, what I have to do is let me add something like 56, 59, anything you can add. And after this, what you have to do is you have to just change the back color. Change the back color to white, and here you can see this. And after this, I'm going to add some border. So border style will be fixed 3D, and here you can see this. Now this one is looking better. So while we are back code, when I do the back coding for this dashboard, then I'm going to set the total number of admins to this level. Okay. In the same way, we have to just add few more stuff inside these two panel as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select these all like this by pressing the Ctrl key and copy and move back over here and paste it over here like this. And in the same way I'm going to do in this third one. So paste these, and after this I'm going to change the text for this one. So this one to pharmacist, and this one to total number of customers. Okay, so these value for now doesn't matter. I've just shown these values to actually represent some data. Okay, that's it. After this, what I have to do is let me just change the text for this label. So move back over here and let me just click on this. Like this one. Like this. You can change the text for others, but I'm not going to do that. You can do it by yourself. At least you can change the text for labels. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just check that how this one is working. So let's start that. Is everything is visible or not? I'm going to check that. So sign in, click on this, and here you can see this, everything is visible over here and looking nice. So one stuff which we have missed is nothing but a fancy button, the reload button over here. So I'm going to add that. So log out, close this, and after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a picture box. Just drag and drop on picture box, just drag and drop it over here. Just click on this one, choose images. I hope you all have downloaded all the image and icon link which I have provided in the description of this video. Okay, so import, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so in the zip which I have provided, you have all of these stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one, the sync GIF. Just open this, click on OK, select the stretch image. And after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move back to the complete project, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the size for this one. So let me copy the size. So size is 66,66. Move back over here, click on this. Size is 66,66, hit enter. After this, what I have to do is I have to add one button. So just search for button. Just drag and drop it over here, one Guna 2 button. Just select this, I don't need any text inside this one, so just delete the text. Okay, I need only one image and no fill color. Change this one to white. What we have to do is we have to set one image inside this one, so click on this, local resources, click on import, and you have to select the image, this one, click on open and OK. Just increase the size to 35,35, hit enter, and I'm going to copy the button size from this one. So click on this, 35 and 35, button size is 34,35. So search for button size 34,35, hit enter, and we have to place this inside this one like this. Place this one in such a way that it never overlaps with that circular sync GIF. And now this button is looking nice, but we have few issues. Let me show you when I start this. So I'm going to log in. Click on this, and here you can see this. When I hover over this, it shows a square shape, and that doesn't look nice. So what we have to do is we have to just resolve that issue. And when I click on this, a dark color is also seen over here. And what I want is when I move mouse over here, it needs to be visible hand over here. It means that now you can click. Let me log out, and we have to make few changes. So select this button. After this, what you have to do is first click on cursor, click on this. You can select any cursor type you want, you like. I'm going to select this one, and after this, what I want is I want to change the checked or clicked state. Okay, so search for that. Now this one, checked state. You have to just search for clicked. Let me search for that. Pressed color. So change this one to white, custom and white, and after that you have to just search for hover state. Here you can see this. Just click on this, and what we want is fill color will be white. No changes. So now start this, and let's see if those all changes are now implemented or not. So started this. Sign in. Click on this, and here you can see this. When I move over here, now hand appears, and you can see this. Now there is no black color either when I click or hover. So this one is looking nice, but one small issue is remaining. What I want is when I log in, I want to just instantly show this. I don't want that when I click on this, then only I want to show this. For that, what we have to do is we have to code on this load event, the form load event. Okay, so let me move out the logout. Now after this, move to the dashboard administrator and move to the coding part of this one. Move to this administrator load event, and here you have to just write the button name, that is the btn dashboard dot perform click. What I want is when that form loads, I want to perform a click operation that will be automatically performed whenever the form is loaded. So now start this, and let's see if that works or not. Sign in, and here you can see this. Now when I sign in, instantly the dashboard is automatically clicked. I don't have to click on this one, and this one is working fine. So that's it for this video, guys. In this video I'm not going to backend code for this one, because to backend code for this, first I have to just implement this one, add user. It means that if any user exists in our database, then only we can able to fetch any data over here. So after the coding, and so after designing and backend coding for this add user, then I'm going to code for this dashboard and the login page, which we have talked in the earlier videos. Okay, so just stay tuned, keep supporting, and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.